Metal detecting has evolved into a fascinating hobby. In this video, we delve into the realm of metal detectors, exploring their diverse features, cutting-edge technologies, and overall performance. Whether you are an avid treasure hunter, an archaeological researcher, or simply intrigued by the allure of metal detecting, we have something for everyone. Hey everyone. In this video, we will look at the 5 best metal detectors in 2023. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I've included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4th. Designed to excel in extreme ground conditions, this metal detector combines advanced features and innovative technology to maximize the chances of unearthing valuable finds. With its motion all-metal mode, discrimination mode, and two-tone audio mode, this metal detector offers versatile detection capabilities. The motion all-metal mode provides a wide detection range, enabling users to locate various types of metals. The discrimination mode allows for the differentiation between desired targets and unwanted metals, minimizing unnecessary digging. Meanwhile, the two-tone audio mode enhances the detection experience by providing distinctive audio signals for different types of metals, aiding in quick identification. To counter the influence of mineral content in the ground, this metal detector boasts a preset ground balance feature. By neutralizing the response to mineralization, it ensures accurate detection even in mineral-rich soil. This greatly reduces false signals and enables users to focus on genuine targets, increasing efficiency and saving time. One of the standout features of this metal detector is the disc and notch control. This function allows users to fine-tune their detection preferences, distinguishing between specific targets and undesired metals. By customizing the discrimination settings, detectorists can refine their searches, honing in on valuable items while ignoring common or unwanted objects. Furthermore, this metal detector is shipped in certified frustration-free packaging, ensuring a hassle-free and convenient unboxing experience for users. The sturdy construction of the device ensures its durability in challenging environments, making it an ideal companion for treasure hunters, archaeologists, and hobbyists alike. In conclusion, this rugged metal detector is specifically engineered to thrive in extreme ground conditions. Its motion all-metal mode, discrimination mode, and two-tone audio mode provide versatile detection options, while the preset ground balance and disc or notch control further enhance accuracy and target distinction. With its reliable performance and user-friendly design, this metal detector empowers enthusiasts to uncover hidden treasures and unravel the mysteries of the past. At number 2 on the list is the Panky Metal Detector. With its 5 distinct modes of operation, this metal detector provides the flexibility to effectively search for desired metals. These modes include all-metal mode, disc mode, memory mode, jewelry mode, and pinpointer, allowing users to customize their detection preferences. This metal detector is equipped with a 10-inch waterproof search coil, making it ideal for use in shallow water. It is perfect for beach, stream, and rainy days, enabling users to freely dive and find treasures hidden from the majority. The device has an upgraded DSP chip, which improves search range and sensitivity, significantly enhancing detection efficiency. With its ability to locate a quarter coin up to 10 inches underground, this metal detector can find larger objects at even greater depths. This metal detector boasts an intuitive LCD display that allows users to view detection dynamics at any time. The display shows the type of metal target, depth, recognition, sensitivity level, and operating mode, making detection more efficient and time-saving. In terms of ergonomics, this metal detector has an adjustable stem, ranging from 39.37 inches to 47.24 inches, suitable for different height gold detector enthusiasts. The adjustable armrest and anti-slip handle provide comfort and ease of use. Additionally, the set comes with a backpack, shovel, and earphones, making it convenient to carry and store. This metal detector set makes an excellent gift for beginners. It comes with a detection bag, shovel, and earphones, making it the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, and other significant holidays. The set enables novices to start their treasure hunt immediately after receiving the gift. In conclusion, this metal detector set provides a versatile and efficient way to search for desired metals. With its waterproof search coil, upgraded DSP chip, intuitive LCD display, and ergonomic design, this metal detector set is a must-have for anyone interested in treasure hunting. At number 3 on our list is the National Geographical Pro. This advanced detector boasts many features that make it an ideal choice for treasure hunters of all ages and skill levels. This metal detector is ultra-lightweight, weighing in at just 2.3 pounds, making it easy to handle and transport. It adjusts to fit both children and adults and extends up to 51 inches, allowing users to customize its length for optimal use. Additionally, this detector has 3 different find modes that enable users to narrow their search fields, making it easier to find treasures. This metal detector has different tones for detecting different types of metals, making it easier to distinguish between them. Metal targets have a mid-tone, and silver and copper targets have a high tone, and iron targets have a low tone. This device has a 20% larger coil that allows for more ground coverage, making it more efficient at detecting metals. With its ability to search up to 12 inches deep, users can discover buried treasures like gold, coins, and jewelry. This metal detector is also easy to use, making it accessible to people of all ages and skill levels. Its LCD display is easy to understand, and the device comes fully adjustable and lightweight. This metal detector is also great for travel due to its collapsible design and waterproof 10-inch coil. Users can bring it to their favorite treasure hunting spots, such as their yard, the beach, or any other location. Packed with professional features, this metal detector has 4 sensitivity levels, allowing users to detect treasure as deep as 12 inches. It also has 3 detection modes that filter out garbage metals, making it easier to focus on valuable items. The pinpoint feature enhances precision, helping users distinguish trash from treasure. In conclusion, this metal detector is an excellent choice for treasure hunters of all levels. Its advanced features, lightweight design, and collapsible design make it easy to use and transport. With its ability to detect buried treasure up to 12 inches deep, users can experience the thrill of discovery and uncover cool treasures like gold, coins, and jewelry. At number 4 is the Sufla SMD02A. This professional metal detector has several features that make it stand out from the competition. Its adjustable stem ranges from 41 inches to 52 inches, making it suitable for both adults and kids. The 11-inch waterproof search coil provides better accuracy and is perfect for use in beach, shallow water, stream, and riverside locations. This metal detector has 5 multifunctional detecting modes, including all-metal mode, disc and notch mode, pinpoint mode, memory mode, and sense mode. These modes enable users to choose the metal objects they want and find them quickly and accurately. This metal detector is equipped with an upgraded DSP chip that enhances accuracy and sensitivity, expands the search range and depth, and enables users to find metals up to 10 inches underground. The detector's lightweight control box and waterproof coil make it easy to use and transport. Its intuitive LCD display with adjustable backlight helps users read the type of sensitivity, discrimination, and all metals, even in dark situations. This metal detector is designed for both functionality and comfort, with an adjustable stem and non-slip handle design that allows users to use it for extended periods without feeling tired. This metal detector comes with complete accessories, including a portable bag, high-quality headset, digging shovel with compass, 2 9-volts batteries, and a user manual. This makes it easy to use right out of the box without the need to purchase additional accessories. In conclusion, this metal detector is an excellent choice for treasure hunters of all levels. Its adjustable stem, waterproof search coil, and multifunctional detecting modes make it easy to find the desired metal objects quickly and accurately. The detector's upgraded DSP chip, intuitive LCD display, and adjustable backlight further enhance its efficiency and ease of use. With its complete set of accessories, this metal detector makes a perfect gift for any treasure hunter. At number 5 on the list is the Hazelwoke Jungler 1031. This all-terrain metal detector features a 10-inch waterproof coil and built-in ground balancing technology that allows users to take it anywhere, whether in the forest, park, or beach. The detector's backlit LCD is 50% larger than other metal detectors, making it more intuitive and easy to read. Its silicone buttons are easy to operate with one hand and have an excellent pressing feel and sensing sensitivity. With its 5 optional modes, including all-metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, users can have endless exploration fun. This metal detector has a 10-inch waterproof coil that is redesigned for higher sensitivity and improved detection depth. With this upgraded DSP chip, it provides better signal processing capability and can locate a quarter coin up to 10 inches underground, making it easier to find larger objects at even greater depths. This detector is also designed with multiple adjustable features, including adjustable detection stem and forearm stem, sensitivity, and setting memory function, making it suitable for both adults and kids. The optional LED backlight allows users to respond better to any dark or bright environment. This metal detector is lightweight and portable, weighing only 2.4 pounds, and comes with a portable carrying bag for storage, making it easy to take outdoors or on a plane. Its self-created retractable cam lock design is secure and perfect for quick assembly, with anyone able to complete the assembly in just 1 minute, even a kid still in elementary school. In conclusion, this metal detector is an excellent choice for treasure hunters of all levels. Its all-terrain design, waterproof coil, and built-in ground balancing technology make it suitable for use in any environment. With its user-friendly interface, adjustable features, and lightweight design, users can easily explore and uncover hidden treasures. So that's all about the 5 best metal detectors in 2023. If you think we have left valuable metal detectors, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.